In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up out-of-office replies in classic Outlook on your PC. We all know how important it is to communicate effectively, especially when we're not around to answer emails. Setting up an out-of-office reply can alleviate concerns, keep communication flowing smoothly, and let people know when to expect a response. Whether you're heading out on vacation or unable to check your mail for a period of time, this guide will walk you through the steps to ensure your email correspondence is managed seamlessly in your absence. To begin, make sure you're inside the Microsoft Outlook desktop application. The key to setting up automatic replies lies within the settings under the File tab. So let's start by navigating to this area. Look towards the top left corner of your screen and click on File. A menu will appear with various options, but we want to focus on automatic replies, also known as out of office. This option will allow you to manage your outgoing messages during your periods away from the office. Once you've clicked on automatic replies, you're on the right path. Now, you'll see an option labeled Send Automatic Replies. Choose this option to enable the feature. This effectively informs Outlook that you'd like to set up your out-of-office messages whenever someone tries to contact you via email. Next, if you prefer to schedule your out-of-office replies, there's a handy feature that can assist you. Perhaps you have specific dates in mind for when you'll be away. To utilize this feature, select the checkbox that reads only send during this time range. Then you'll be able to specify the start and end dates and times for your automated replies. This step is optional, so if a specific time frame isn't necessary, you can skip it. Now, it's time to compose your message. This is the text that people will see when they email you while you're out. Think about keeping it professional yet informative. It's a good idea to mention the duration of your absence and when they might expect a response. If needed, you can customize the message for both parties inside and outside your organization. This customization can ensure that your clients and colleagues receive the most relevant information. After crafting a clear and friendly message, we're ready to confirm these settings and set everything into motion. Double check your message to ensure it accurately conveys your planned absence and any return details. When you're satisfied, click OK. This final step will save your settings and activate the automatic replies. That's it. You've now successfully set up your out-of-office replies in Classic Outlook. With these replies in place, you can step away from your computer with confidence, knowing that everyone will be informed of your absence and your anticipated return. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has made this setup simple and clear for you. Enjoy your time away.